Hey Astrodevs fam, today we've got something special for you. The top 10 VSCode extensions for Flutter. Think turbocharged coding, smoother debugging, and more. It's time to kick your development into overdrive. If you want more awesome content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Astrodevs community. Let's dive in and see what these game-changing extensions can do for you. So if you want to write your Flutter app or even your dot program, you need these two extensions installed in your VS Code so you can use the features of Flutter, for example, the hot reload and hot restart, or even be able to run your dot programs inside the VS Code and debug them. So these are the two must-have and essential extensions for you if you want to write your Flutter apps inside the VS Code. Now let's move on to the next extension. The next extension we have is awesome Flutter snippets. Think of you want to create a stateless widget or even a stateful widget. So just by typing the shortcut, this VS Code extension does the job for you and there is nothing more for you to type. Just type the shortcut of what you want and then this VS Code extension does the job for you and writes the code fully. Not only the stateless widget and a stateful widget can be built, you can even use some other shortcuts such as for creating your init state, your dispose, your did update widget, and many more shortcuts just by using this extension and type your codes much more faster. As for the number 4, we have Flutter tree. Flutter tree lets you to create widget tree structure just by defining the widgets and nesting them, and then when you're done, this extension actually creates the whole widget tree for you and nests the widgets inside each other as how you define them. This extension is awesome for all the people who are tired of nesting their widgets and having to type a lot of code when they want to create their widget tree. Number 5 is better comments. We all know that the comments are one of the most important parts of our codes. It lets us to debug the code or even understand a part of code, or even we can set a to-do in our codes so next time that we are coding, we know that there is a job need to be done. So you can use better comments to give a style to your comments. For example, a part of a code is not working or you are confused about a method and you want to know what that method does. Just leave the comment and use the prefixes to create more human-friendly comments inside your code, and when other people are reading your code or even you yourself debugging your code, you have a better understanding of each part of your code and your comments. Next one, we have .data class generator. We know that when you're creating a data model class, there are a lot of codes that you need to write. So just by using this extension, you no longer need to type all of that. Just set what you want and the extension does that for you. Next on, we have PubSpec assist. We know that there can be a lot of packages included in a single Flutter project. So just use this extension and type the name of the package you want, and this extension itself adds that to your pubspec.yaml and installs it, and you're sure that always you're having the latest version of a Flutter package and you're not using an old version of it. So the only thing now you need to know is the name of the package that you want to be added to your Flutter project. Hold up, before we jump back into the video, we've got something exciting to share with you. Join our community and be part of something amazing. Choose your role, programmer, designer, or whatever sparks your interests. Share your work, get feedback, and collaborate with fellow members. Plus, get ready to join our upcoming project. But first, hop over to our Discord server for all the action. Subscribe now and join the Discord for updates. Next on, we have to-do highlight. If you're a person like me who has a ton of to-do and fix me inside their code, or even if you're working on a team project, you need to have this extension so all those to-dos and fix me's are highlighted inside your code. And the next time that you're debugging your code or checking it out, you're sure that you're not gonna miss out on any to-do or fix me's. Next, we have rainbow brackets. We know that the main part of a Flutter app is its widget tree, and the widget tree can kind of get messy when you have a ton of widgets nested inside each other. So you can use rainbow brackets to colorize your widgets, your functions, and know where the widget is started and where the widget is ended, so you know what widget you're inside of. As for the last extension, we have Codium AI. So there's two main AI bots for coding. First being GitHub Copilot and the next one is Tabnite, but both of them are paid. The Codium AI, I think, is the best free AI pal when you're coding. It can understand what you need to write, it can understand your functions, suggest the code that you want to see. You can actually define the code you want just by typing a comment for it and then wait for the AI to suggest that code for you. And as a bonus for all of you who have watched the video till the end, we have another extension, Code Snap. If you're a person who shares their code online, like on Instagram or on Stack Overflow, you can use this extension to have a ready-to-go screenshot of your code ready to be shared online. So there you have it, the top 10 must-have VS Code extensions for Flutter developers. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Astrodevs channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching everyone, and happy coding!